all. I mean, this thing looks friggin' ridiculous. It looked just like a pool table. I mean, it looked just like a mini pool table. I mean, my kids could have played pool on this table. It was great. All done. Come check it out, team. There's a pool table. This is old school. This is how we do it. Pool table.
This nigga says seriously watching Cake Boss.
You like that?